Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install C++ on your PC from scratch. So first of all we need to visit winlibs.com and here we'll be looking for different versions. Scroll a bit down and here are the different versions of our GCC compiler which is actually needed to run C++ code on your PC. So according to your PC, whether it is a 32-bit or 64-bit, we will be downloading the zip archive. So let me install it and let's meet after downloading. Now I have downloaded the 64-bit 7-zip archive by clicking on it, and let's move to the files. Before extracting the files, you must need to download the WinRAR from their website. If you have installed it, it's better. Now in downloads option you can see the zip archive. Now we will right click on it, click on WinRAR and extract files. After extracting the files, you must look for a folder which is same as name as the zip file. Double click on it, then cut this folder and paste it into your C drive. After pasting, look for the bin folder inside the folder. Double click on the min.gw64 folder and double click on the bin folder. Now in this address bar, click here, then Ctrl plus copy this and search for the environment variables and click on the edit the system environment variables. Here click on the environment variables. Here double click on the path, scroll down and in the system variables click on the path, double click on it and click edit. After edit, click on new, then copy paste by Ctrl plus V and click on OK, then click on OK and then click on OK. Now your compiler has been successfully installed. Let's check it in the CMD. Search for CMD, click open, then search for G++ version. Here you can look, the G++ is installed into your PC. Now to use it, you can use the VS Code. Click on the VS Code, open it. Now in your VS Code, you must run the file section, or if there is any other section, click on cross and click on open folder first. Now in here, we will look for the extensions. The fifth option will be the extensions, then click and search for C++. Here you will be looking for Microsoft C++ extensions and you will be installing them. Here is the extension by Microsoft of C and C++ you need to install. I have already installed. Here will be clicking on install option. Then also we will be looking for the CodeRunner. Here it is, or you may search it for CodeRunner. We will also install this extension CodeRunner. Then after it, move again to the file option. Here click on file and click on open folder. Then in your D drive you can create any folder and then just open it. I have already created a folder named DSA and I will be opening it. Now you must have empty files and I have a lot of files here. And how to run them? Click on any file like hello world. Simply click on here, and as we have installed the CodeRunner, you can see the run code option here. Then click on just and you will get the output. That's it. Now you are ready to learn C++ on your PC in VS Code.